Man, what's up, bro? We back at it, up early. What Tupac say? Blame it on my mama. I'm a thug nigga. Up before the sun rise, quicker than a drug dealer. Man, we up, bro. I'm finna go ahead and I'm so sleepy right now. I can't even think. I'm going to the car wash real quick because my car dirty, bro. It's dirty right now, like dusty. I'm finna go car wash first. Car wash. Then I'm finna go to there's a mechanic. I'm a car wash mechanic, get my paint touched up. I'm gonna see if he can change one of my O2 sensors. And then I gotta put my decals on. These right here, them the reflective decals. Like I had the regular stripes up on there, but them right there, they reflective, bro. So like at nighttime when the light hit it, that mud glowing up. That's clean. Nobody got that. I ain't seen nobody with the reflective scratches on their car. Really, nobody ain't had a reflective scratches on both sides. I did that. I was the only one I know that did that, bro, in Dallas. Like probably ever. I had 2 scratches since 2016, bro, on the front. Now I be seeing people trying to do 2 scratches. They don't even be lining their scratches up. They don't even like lay their decals right, bro. You gotta make sure your decals right. Can't be crooked. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, but I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get over there. You know what I'm saying? I hit y'all boys back, man. Rolling through the car wash. Yeah, man. First time washing it, you know what I'm saying? It might get dirty again because I gotta get my little side panels painted. But yeah, bro. Ooh, I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, man, but I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get to the mechanic shop. We almost at the end, though. I used to think I couldn't fit through this car wash because, like, see how thin it is, and I got rims. But I made it through. Look, I heard my rims rubbing against the thing. We almost done. Boys back, man. Nah, they be straight, bro. He done did the bullhorn. Check it out. Huh? Yeah. Man, what's up, YouTube? I'm finna go find these deer whistlers, bro. I can't find them nowhere, bro. It's like Walmart took all the chrome ones off the shelf. They don't got no chrome deer whistlers no more. I'm talking about like nowhere. So I'm gonna either have to order them or it say Tractor Supply got some. And then I'm finna redo this. So like I'm finna make this whole thing red, you know, all the way red. all the way red, all the way red. I'm gonna redo this. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I put my other license plate on the front. That must look way better. That must look way better. And yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all. Just hold on, just give me a second. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Y'all look at the police. They didn't follow me all the way over here. You know what I'm saying? And now they just waiting at the stop sign. I just went to AutoZone, you know what I'm saying, give me some screws. But yeah, though, I'm finna this my license plate. You know what I'm saying? That's the new one up on there. I put the new decals on the front. And these right here, they reflective. So like when the light hit it at night, they gon', you know what I'm saying, they reflective. But yeah, look at the police, bro. This how they be bothering me. You know, I'm good on everything, but they just, I don't know if he just trying to see that, you know, I got my car fixed or what, but I don't know. But yeah, bro, this police, he kind of followed me in the neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? And he turned and he kept going, but a car got in front of me. But look at him. I'm just showing y'all though how they be bothering me though. I'm just showing y'all like how they be bothering me, bro. Like they do it a lot, just messing with me, profiling. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm black. You know, I like to fix up my car. You know, I don't know, bro. That's why I'm like, oh, I need to change my I need to change this right here. So. But what I'm gonna do right here, I'm finna put these up on there. These like some reflective screw caps. Finna take them big ones off, put these on, and then I'm gonna put my deer whistlers back up there. So yeah, bro. I got the bullhorn up in there. I spray painted it black yesterday. Yeah, my boy helped me. But yeah, man. Heck yeah. We already back right. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I just finished the car, man. I just finished. Okay, so we got the new license plate. We got the reflective license plate screws right there. New LEDs, new HIDs, white bulb, bright as possible. Big bullhorn in the front. New grill radiator, all that bumper, new hood. The scratch marks, they reflective. I got the deer whistles right there. Oh, I put this right here, reflective, red reflective tape. I just put that on there. I might take it out. Then, okay, I put more of these right here because I had got the mirrors painted. Red reflective, that's reflective. I'm finna get my my boy T-Dub down the street. He got the truck on. He got a lifted truck. He about to bring me some more decals. And then I'm gonna redo my back window sticker. If you know anybody that can do my back window sticker, get this face on it. Hold on. I'm trying to get that logo on the back window. You know what I'm saying? So now, then I redid my steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? I redid the whole steering wheel. As you know, we already had the red armrest right there. But yeah, bro, yeah, my favorite part, the stickers right there on the rims, reflective, and the new Tiger Stripe stickers, the scratches, they reflective too. So I'm ready to see them at nighttime. Oh, this reflective too. This, I'm gonna order some more though, and I'm gonna get some more tail lights. But yeah, man, I think them rim stickers probably my favorite right now. And these new stickers right here. And that license plate. I like the license plate. Yeah. And these deer whistles are a little different. I like them though. They lifted. They more lifted. I had found me some. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Hey, man, we back at it though. Back at it, man. Had got it fixed within like a week, bro. Like I had got it fixed in a week, bro. I had to, bro. Boy, man, I was mad, bro. I was mad, man. I did the Tiger Scratch decals yesterday and put the pinstripe back on there right there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, he did. Bro, don't you know this right here is $100 at Dodge? On Amazon, that mud like 80. That little plastic thing. But yeah, man, bigger bullhorn. So y'all gonna hear me when I'm coming, you know what I'm saying? Playing my own mixtapes. Yeah, it ain't nothing. You ain't never seen nobody do that before. Yes, sir. It's lit, bro. I might go to the shop real quick, ask him something about my belt. But yeah, man, y'all hit me up. Hit me up, bro. If you need body work done or anything, bro, I'ma send you Fredo page. Just call his name Fredo the Toe Plug. Just look through my Instagram followers, you'll see him. Yeah. Signing out, man. Signing out. Man, I'm up here at my shop. See what my man at. See what my boy. Like he about to back up. No fucking way. Did not come out. Oh. Yo! What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Chilling. I need you to check something on the car.
What's going on?
But I put like lube on it. It'll stop for like.
Oh, then you're gonna need the belt. Yeah.
New belt?
Yeah.
Come listen.
Yeah, the belt has some lines on it, like.
Let me turn it off.
No, you're gonna need a belt. You can see lines all over.
Come on, what's up? Throw me a belt on right now. How much you charge me for a belt? And so today I'm replacing this Blendo actuator. And it's way up in there. Right there. So I gotta get up in there with a small screwdriver. And cause one side of my AC blowing hot, the other blowing cold. So I hope this fixes it. I'm finna put it in, we gonna see. And so I'm basically taking this part off and putting another one on there. Cause it actually was the one on the driver's side. Cause I heard the little gears and it broke. Hold on. I'm gonna hit y'all back, bro, cause I cannot do this and record at the same time. Okay, I just put in the driver's side, so now I'm on the passenger side, back on the passenger side, cause I ain't put it in. So I'm finna put that in, boom, put that in there, and yeah, bro, new AC fluctuators on both sides. We gonna be rolling. Yeah, man, took the whole glove compartment off. Part right there, just put it in. You know what I'm saying? Control like the door and for the AC and the vents, you know, open, close, closing doors. You know what I'm saying? It's different doorways. But yeah, man, I'm finna put this back together and finna go get this belt. You know what I'm saying? AC blowing good, cold from both sides. Hey, bro, I'm really getting cold at fixing my own car, fixing on cars, I ain't gonna lie. Next challenge, I gotta try to put on this belt, bro. I ain't never put on a belt, but I think I already know I can do it, bro. I already know. So yeah, man, it's been a long day, fam. Been a long day. Tomorrow I'm gonna hit the mall, cop a couple of outfits though. Yeah, for real. And then I got my mixtape cover on the way. Heart of Texas, I got it on the way. They working on it right now, so that should be done in about a week. Then I'm gonna drop the tape and chill a week after. Shoot, hey, talking about. So y'all be ready for that one. No cap. That mud gonna be a good tape. I ain't gonna lie. You can listen to that around anybody. I'm talking about kids, grandmas, and it's fun. I ain't gonna lie. Heart of Texas. That mud gonna be like the funnest tape I made. Like, you know, it's on some positive, get money, grind and stuff. Yeah. Heck yeah, though. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get to this shop real quick. Get the autos on. Hit y'all back. Got the belt, man. Got the belt. And dang, that mud blowing hard. Go. New belt on. Bro, I had to put the thing right here. I had to stand on it, bro. I ain't had no help. I had to stand on that mud and then wrap it around. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't even that hard. But the noise is gone. That little noise I was hearing is gone. So I guess it was the belt. It wasn't no squeaky noise. It was just like, sound like paper. You know what I'm saying? It sounded like some paper. But it's gone though. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's hot. Look at me. Look how hot it is right now, bro. Woo. And I'm signing off. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Man, I done found the problem. So my radiator fan wasn't kicking in high speed, bro. I've been looking at this all night. Bro, tell me why. It's the fuse right here. Fuse 50 is broke. I done looked in the manual book and it told me that's the radiator fan. So I'm finna get another fuse, bro, and I'm gonna put it in and it should kick into high speed. We about to see what's happening, bro. We about to see what this do. Boy, my boy Fredo got the old school out here, bro. That mud hitting for real. Oh God, bro, I'm finna ask him how much for this. On them D's too. Y'all know these old schools my favorite though. We getting a little work done though. Oh, that mud clean. Oh God, bro. Y'all see that, man? Reflective red decal. Got the reflective bumper screw. You know what I'm saying? Bigger bullhorn right there. You gonna hear me when I'm coming. Yeah. Reflective sticker right there. Quit playing, bro. Quit playing. Reflective right there. Yeah. We glowing now. Decals reflective. Reflective blood drip. Yeah. Gotta quit playing. Yeah, man. You see what's going on. Yeah, so when them car lights hit it, it's gonna glow. Yeah. You see? You see it, man. You see it. It's right there. Ooh. Yeah. Mud clean. Quit playing. Done by PJ, y'all. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. PJ right there. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, man. It's the shop, bro. Y'all see we got the rims right here. Luxury edition. You know. Yes, sir. We got that. We're playing. We're playing with the spikes. Whole undercarriage done. My clean. See, I got the new plate on the front. Y'all see, man. Y'all see what's going on. Front windshield tint. Yes, sir. Look at the bullet antenna on that mud. Woohoo, that mud clean. Yeah, man. My boy PJ fixing my rear view mirror, man. That mud fell. Too much bang, bro, and that mud fell. Too much bang in the trunk. I added the reflective stickers right there, reflective stripes. Screwdriver right there.